If you're a Vectric user, then this is an important video for you. idcwoodcraft.com. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, your CNC router bit supplier. Vectric has released version 12 and there are a ton of updates. And if you are a Vectric user, then this is something you're going to want to know about. I have been getting so many emails about this upgrade and what the enhancements have been in the version 12 that I thought it would be a really good idea to get Kyle Ely from Learn Your CNC, a Vectric expert and beta tester, to get on a live stream with me on the IDC Woodcraft YouTube channel to cover all these enhancements that Vectric has done to this new version. So if you are considering upgrading to Vectric version 12, or you've picked it up and you want to know about all these features, then you want to make sure that Tuesday, April 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you show up on the IDC Woodcraft YouTube channel, because Kyle is going to run across all the enhancements in the software. Now, if you know other Vectric users or you're part of other CNC groups, then you might want to share this video with them so we can get all the Vectric users in one spot so that everybody can learn at the same time. Now, this video will be recorded and reposted on the IDC Woodcraft YouTube channel in case you can't make it. But again, if you're a Vectric user, you're wondering about version 12, Tuesday, April 23rd, 7 p.m. on the IDC Woodcraft YouTube channel. Be there. We'll have Kyle Ely, a Vectric expert, who is going to cover everything in this new version of all the enhancements and what have you. So I look forward to seeing you there and getting your questions answered, my questions answered, and everybody's getting on board with this Vectric version 12. I'll put links and information in the description of this video so you know where to go, but just make sure Tuesday, April 23rd, 7 p.m., you're here on the IDC Woodcraft channel. idcwoodcraft.com.